Come test drive 2004 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: passenger airbag, power steering, automatic transmission, cruise control, fog lamps, power windows, trip computer, heated driver's seat, remote power door locks, compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.